Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I'm going to show you how to download PUBG mobile app quickly and safely on your device. So let's get started with the video. If you are on Android, open the Google Play Store, or if you are on iOS, open the App Store right here. I am on iOS, so I will show on how to download it from App Store. When you are on App Store, simply tap on the search bar at the bottom of your right side screen and simply tap the search bar and search here PUBG, and the first one that pops up is your PUBG mobile, and look for the official app by Tencent Games. Make sure it's the real one. This one is the real one. As you can see, I've already downloaded it, so wait for the game to download. It's a big file, so it may take a few minutes depending on your internet speed. Once installed, open PUBG mobile and log in using your account. As you can see, mine is already logged in right now. When you are logged into your account, you can use your Facebook, Google or guest account to start playing right away. As you can see here, I have already downloaded the game and logged into my account as well. And that's it guys, you are ready to jump into PUBG Mobile. If this guide helped you out, hit that like button, comment and subscribe for more tutorials, and thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next one.